Very good afternoon, ma'am. A very good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Very good afternoon. Pallav, Saili, Vidhi, Bhairavi, please come on camera. Kindari. Yes, Vidhi, nice to see you. Bhairavi. Saili, Kindari, Pratik.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Bhairavi. Alok, Harsh, Saksham. So how was your Diwali holiday, and did you do something about what I had told you? Anybody?
मैम अपलोड नहीं हुआ, कर लिया था, अपलोड करना भूल गया.
Okay, no problem. Fair enough. Anybody? As in sharing with your parents that you care for them, love them. Did you do that? Anybody would like to talk about that? How did they do it?
Yes, ma'am. So I had called my parents. वहाँ पे तो टावर नहीं था जहाँ पे था दिवाली के दिन, तो जब आया कॉल किया एंड तो उन लोगों का एनिवर्सरी किया था and I couldn't give them anything. So since I am here in North Bengal only, so I have gifted them a holiday and they are coming in Kalimpong and they'll be also staying in Gangtok and nearby places for 5 days. It's on me. So they have agreed to that and they're coming on 22nd.
Beautiful, Gaurav. That's a very good gesture and a good thought. That you gifted them something which has a physical value. More than that, it is more like, you know, it's very emotional thing for them that you're helping them to kind of take a break from their routine. Lovely. Gaurav, what was their reaction?
They were a bit shocked because I didn't tell them that, I just sent them the tickets. So they were like, what is this? I'm like, okay, you're coming. Then I told them you are coming. क्योंकि मैम टिकट अगर मैं पहले बोलता कि आप आइए तो they would have like बहुत काम है, ये है, वो है. So I booked the tickets and then आपको आना है.
Beautiful, beautiful. I'm sure they must have felt very good. You know, these small things actually kind of are the things that they will value a lot, because for them, some gesture like you makes a lot of difference. For parents, it's always something as simple as this, or a very small gesture also from children. It's very, very, very dear to them. Okay, anybody else would like to add anything? And please come on camera. I'm removing people who are not on camera. और अभी मैं एक किसी को निकाल दूंगी अभी तो पता चलेगा कि यार I'm doing that. So please come on camera. Now I'm going to remove somebody जो मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. No even reason from their side. So I will remove. हाँ देखो अभी सबके कैमरा ऑन होंगे.
मैम खाना पीना चलेगा फिर कुछ कर नहीं पाऊंगी मैं आज.
Sorry?
Like there'll be food and stuff going on in the background, so I hope you don't mind.
You stay on camera, okay?
Yeah, done.
Nisha, Anuj, Alok, Jishan, Virender, Apurba, Yesha, Mosam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, anybody else? I have checked on Quick Force, and a few of you have mentioned certain things. I would like to share that. Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So see, Saili has written something. Let's look at what she has written. Bhairavi, can you please read what Saili has written?
Yes, ma'am. My family and I had more than one reasons to celebrate this Diwali. With my mother's promotion at work and father's birthday, we had decided to have a small celebration at our home in Nashik. I decided to go a step further to make it even more special for them. I managed to convince my parents, siblings, and cousins at the very last moment to join us in the celebration at home. All this while my parents had no clue of what was being planned. I also prepared a special barbecue meal for dinner that evening. The entire plan went smoothly. They were super thrilled and happy with the entire preparation. The next morning, I had kept a small thank you note by their besides for everything that they had done all these years.
So beautiful, Saili. Saili, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, I have some repair work going on at home, so I will have to keep the camera off in the middle.
No
If
problem.
with your permission.
Yeah, no, whenever you can, just be on camera.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
So this is very beautiful, Saili, and I'm
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
happy and glad, and it's very heartwarming to see that you have written it here. And like it's in itself, you know, it is one thing to feel something, and when you put it in open and you kind of transparently express, it's a very good feeling. Even for us to read it is a very good feeling. So thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
The ball rolling. Okay. Let's look at what somebody else has written. Then we have we hung, right? Okay. Harsh, can you please read this?
Yes, ma'am. I keep saying I love you to my parents every now and then. Let it be any occasion, even while hanging up the phone as well. It gives that sense of affection and belongingness.
I totally relate with this, Vihang. Vihang, are you there? Apurva,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
be on camera. This is very beautiful, Vihang, what you've written. I remember you said it also last time.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
And I totally relate with this because I also have, like, very late in my life, I could openly talk to my parents and tell them that, you know, I want to tell you I love you and I want you to tell me also. So I tell my parents also that I want to hear that every day. And in these initial days when I grew up and all, at that time, expression of love and feeling was not something very common in family.
Yes, ma'am.
But later, yes, I took that risk of talking about it with my parents, and actually that fear or whatever I had in my mind, that was in my mind only. And finally, now it is a routine for me also. Like every day I would want, so we don't live in the same cities, so every day I would want them to I want to tell them at the end of the day, and I want them to tell me back. And even like you said, no, even when during daytime, if I'm calling someday, even at that time when I'm hanging up, I would like to call them that I love them. And yes, it's that sense of affection and belongingness is something which is reinstated all the times.
Absolutely, ma'am.
So thank you for sharing that and putting it here.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
I think many in the class would relate also to this. If anybody wants to add anything, no, please do that. Then I'm very happy that this 5 people or 6 people, they've actually 6 people have, sorry, 5 people have written it here. And this is an exercise anyway. Everybody else will have to write here. But these people have really written it before the session, and it's very nice and very good on your part, very brave on your part to openly talk about something and write it there on this forum. I really am very happy to see that. Yesha, what you have written? Yesha has said that one thing that made my parents happy because of me was that I earned money by myself at a very young age. The thing that made them more happy was not that I earned money. It was me earning money through my talent. I won't say talent as it's a big word to say, but I am not at that stage where I can say it is a talent, but I would say my hobby. I earned money through my hobby, which made them proud and happy. Indeed, it was a small amount, but it was a happy one. Lots of love to them, and thank you. Yesha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful. And come on camera, Yesha.
Ma'am, I will be there in 5 minutes. Actually, I have logged in through phone. So
Okay. So see this again, something like this, what she mentioned, something like this for parents, when children do something by themselves independently is a very proud moment. It's like they feel that confident that yes, that our child is now able to take care of themselves. It's a very great feeling for parents, and you will see that when in their faces, in the way they talk to you, you will see and you will feel that sense when they communicate with you. So yes, again, this is very beautiful. Anybody would like to share anything similar, please do that. Yeah.
I would like to share, actually not me, but it was a gratitude from my brother. Like it was his first earning, and he planned a Diwali for us. Basically, we were not going to celebrate because we had 2 deaths recently in our family. But he just wanted to give us that kind of love. So from his first salary, he took me and my mom at a hotel for a stay for 2 stay, and we have a pet as well. So he inquired a lot of things, and then he took us for the celebration. He's like, no matter what happened, but at least you guys are still with me and we are together, so let's go and celebrate. So it was a small gesture from his side only, but it kind of made my mom very proud because it was his first salary and he could do something good for us, so it was basically nice. So that was his side gratitude towards me and my mother.
Very beautiful, Bhairavi. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, that thing he thought that yes, this is what I want to do because he cares for how you feel. He wants
Yes.
you feel good. That is a very important thing. And
Yes,
good to know that kind of bonding and that kind of
bonding. Yeah.
is in the family.
Thank you.
At the end of the day, see, these are the things that which you will carry forward in life. You will bank upon these things later in your life. These are this is very important asset. The connections are even for that matter, this class. So you've been together for almost 6 months now, isn't it? As a class, as a batch. You all share a kind of an bonding. Knowingly, unknowingly, you all have become a part of a group wherein you attend sessions regularly, you do projects together, like wise lot of things you do together, and you have become an important part in in everybody's life in this class. And the friendships that you strike at this juncture of your life, they are going to remain very important in your life in future. And these are all selfless friendships. This is the time you will strike more friendships in future also, of course, when you will work at different places and all. But these are the friendships that you really would keep coming back to and will give you a lot of sense of satisfaction, peace, and support even in the future. So do value, do acknowledge, do consider that this is what is important. Okay, that will definitely help you define your even priorities well. Okay, fine. Thank you. Anybody else would like to share anything if you comes up to in your mind when you read somebody else's response? Akriti, right? Sakriti? Yes. Akriti, are you here? Akriti, are you here? No? Okay. No problem. Shivam, can you please read what Akriti has written? And stay on camera, everybody. Yeah?
During their anniversary on February, I gifted them a dress along with a 2-page note about their importance in my life. So after a grand celebration, they sat together and the letter and they start crying. They read the letter and they start crying with a smile on their face. That 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 was my first time I did something for my parents. Conclusion: now I am more connected with them, and even I started sharing a special happy bond with them.
Okay.
During Diwali, I decorated their room with a bunch of their pics on the wall, and they were shocked after seeing them because earlier my mother was planning to do this, but I did this with all my savings, so they were totally surprised and were very happy at the same time.
That's very thoughtful of you, Akriti. I think Akriti is not in class. Akriti, are you there? I think she even mentioned this in class last time. I think Akriti did mention the first instance that she has talked about. Yeah. So things like this, that observing that what my mother wanted to do, I kind of recorded that and remembered, and then using my savings to kind of provide that for her. It's again a very beautiful thing. Yeah, it shows how much importance you give to them, and they will also kind of and it is important for them to know. Okay, you know that they know, certainly they know that you definitely love them, but when you say it in so many words, it would be very, very good for them. They will feel very good about it. They will remember and cherish those memories for their lifetime. That they become so precious for you. Okay. So thank you, Akriti. Then you have Dharmit. Is it Dharmit? Dharmit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
By the way, before I forget, so Dharmit and not sure Dharmit or somebody else, but a few of you have not registered, I think. They're not done the formal registration. That is why your name I could not see in SIS when I was marking your attendance. I'm not sure if it was Dharmit. Just check, because what will happen, no, you need to go through this registration process. Everybody registration नहीं करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा ना, आपका जो इनिशियल डेज का जो प्रेजेंस है वो बाद में बैक ट्रैक होके नहीं होगा, आपका नाम ही नहीं है SIS में. आई एम नॉट श्योर धर्मित, मैं सिर्फ ऐसे बोल रही हूँ, मुझे एकदम से याद नहीं है, बट सम अ फ्यू पीपल उनके नाम नहीं थे, जूम में थे, यू आर अटेंडेड योर क्लास, बट इन SIS when I'm trying to mark your presence, वहां पे आपका नाम नहीं था. और वो नॉर्मली क्यों होता है, if you have not registered, so you just have to register. It's a very simple process to register yourself for SEM 2. You will have to register yourself for SEM 3. So don't delay that process. Okay, so Dharmit, just check if you are in that.
Ma'am, I have registered myself. I have checked that. So I guess this is someone third person.
Somebody else it would be. No problem. Yes, Dharmit. So you have written this. Who I will want? Prabhapreet, can you please read this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, to make this Diwali special for my parents, me and my Didi planned to visit Barbecue Nation. It was a great experience as we had good time. We had some great conversation and fun.
These are the simple pleasures of life, having good conversation, just listening to people, just being with them during occasion, just making them feel that, yes, this occasion, I feel you are that important in my life that I want to spend time with you. It's a great gesture. Okay, so Dharmit, thank you for doing that, for even writing it here and putting it here for everybody to read also. So that is also something I really appreciate. Okay, and so we have read all, right? Saili, Vihang, Yasha, Akriti. Okay. So anybody else would like to share something similar? Like Gaurav shared, this was an important exercise to be done. Of course, I didn't put a deadline there because, of course, we all are in a... I have not put deadlines on your quick force, but I'm going to put it now. So I have made a lot of threads there. So I want everybody's contribution everywhere. Okay. So even if you feel that, I in my day-to-day action, whatever I am doing, I express my love to my parents through this. Mention that. It's something that you are proud of. Mention it that way. Anything there special you did, put it there on the thread. Yeah. So, it is very important actually, the way you connect with your parents. Okay. That goes a long way in shaping your personality, the way you behave. Like anybody remembers this movie or anybody has watched this movie, Dear Zindagi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you remember what it's basically, such movies are not made in Bollywood. Zyada nahi banti hai, but that was a really well-made movie. I won't say very well made, but it still sends across a very interesting message. Anybody remembers message kya hai usme, Abhinash, Anshika?
Ma'am, it was a while back. I don't remember.
Okay, fair enough. So
ma'am, to go back into the parents and cherish the each and small simple talk.
Yes, cherish every moment of our life.
Yes.
Yes.
To have a bond with parents.
Living in present, bond with parents, and if
whatever happened in past, just forget it and make this movement to build a bond, good bond. Yes.
Yes. So to explain you or give you better perspective, like why I'm connecting this topic with it. So exactly, if you see, you see the main character. So main character in that movie is played by Alia Bhatt. Okay. And Shah Rukh Khan is a kind of a counselor. So what happens is, they show in the beginning, what they show this particular behavioral pattern that Alia Bhatt ka character has. What is that behavioral pattern? That she cannot be very sincere in relationships, in romantic relationships. and she doesn't want to kind of express her feelings. She's like shying away or keeping away from.
She's a rebel person.
She's
She will be
rebellious. Yeah. So the first they show that she is into a stable relationship, but she is not very much sincere about it, and she even like she cheats on her boyfriend, and then she goes and tells him also that I did it. So that was the first instance that they show. So what they want to show here is that she's not okay with that continuing stability in relationship. She doesn't find any interest in that. Then later also they show that she kind of has feelings for somebody she meets, but she's not able to express it openly. She's not able to tell, and she kind of suppresses it. Now, you know what is this behavior actually? This behavior pattern of her is what? That she is actually she's very fearful of getting into the relationship. Why she's doing it? She feels that ये relationship में जब भी मैं जाऊंगी तो I will be abandoned. मैं किसी से क्लोज हो जाऊंगी और फिर मुझे छोड़ के चले जाएंगे, या वो मेरी लाइफ में से चले जाएंगे. Right? So first of all, I don't want to get into it. So a part of her is very strong on that behaviorally. कि भाई मुझे जाना ही नहीं है. And when she even is in the relationship, for whatever reason she got into, उस पर भी she is like ये चला जाएगा उसके पहले मैं ही कुछ ऐसा करके इसको खत्म करूं. So it's like self-destruction. So she kind of cheats on him, and then she goes and even tells him, and then kind of the breakup happens. तो उसको वो जो stability है वो उस पे विश्वास ही नहीं है कि continue होगी. So she is so much scared that she herself, before anybody else does or anything else happens, वो खुद ही उधर उस पे harm करेगी उसको. That was a behavior she had, and she would repeat that. They have shown only 2 instances in her life. But normally, like I do a lot of counseling also. I am a practicing counselor also, and I kind of meet a lot of people who come up with their challenges and all. So when we actually see, like लोग जहाँ जब वे आते हैं ऐसे behaviors लेके, तो वो एक pattern होता है. It doesn't happen for 1 instance or 2 instances. Life में जो भी उनका हमेशा ऐसे ही एक story repeat होती रहती है. In fact, in psychological terms, हम उसको बोलते हैं एक ये भी है कि we call games people play. It's not games as in mean games, but patterns that people keep repeating behaviorally. तो ये जो pattern वो repeat करती रहती है, अब वो क्यों होता रहता है? Why is that happening? It has a very direct connect to what happened to her in her childhood. So when she was a 6-7-year-old child, her family, so her parents, her father had difficulty in kind of his income was getting affected where they were staying. तो उनका business नहीं चल रहा था, तो वो decide करते हैं US या कहीं बाहर move करने का. I don't exactly remember the place, पर वो इंडिया से बाहर जाने का decide करते हैं. This is for what? For earning good money, for future of the child only. उनका intention तो वही है. Now in the bid, what happens? अभी ये बच्ची 7-8 साल की है, तो उसका एक स्कूलिंग है, सब कुछ कनेक्टेड है, तो उन लोगों को ऐसा सोचते हैं कि हम इसको अभी इधर से निकाल के दूसरी जगह लेके जाएंगे तो इसका पूरा स्टडी सब फर्क पड़ जाएगा. सो दे डिसाइड टू कीप द चाइल्ड विद हर ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स. उसको लेके नहीं जाने का डिसीजन लेते हैं. बट उनका जो छोटा बच्चा है, जो बेटा है, वो तो बहुत छोटा है, उसका तो स्कूल वूल भी नहीं है, तो उसको वो लोग लेके जाते हैं बिकॉज वो इन्फेंट है, उसको लेके जाना पड़ेगा. So this decision they make, and they don't understand कि भाई इस इंसिडेंट की वजह से ये छोटे बच्चे के साइकोलॉजी पे इतना असर पड़ेगा. They don't realize, they don't talk to the बच्चा about this कि हम ऐसा कर रहे हैं, हम वापस आएंगे इतने दिन में, हम कॉल करेंगे, मैं लेटर्स लिखेंगे, ऐसा कुछ बात नहीं होता. So what does this child feel? उसको abandonment feel होता है. उसको होता है मेरे भाई को लेके चले गए, मुझे छोड़ के चले गए. And there is no interaction about this thing. People feel कि बच्चे नहीं समझते कुछ, but जो बच्चे उस एज में होते हैं, उस एज में ही हमारा एक्चुअल में subconscious mind programming majorly हो जाता है. What my certain habits are, certain patterns that I will keep repeating, उसका एक foundation initially 7-8 साल में ही बन जाता है. Initial 7 years in fact. Okay, so उसके दिमाग में क्या आ गया है feeling? That whosoever I get close to, they're going to anyways abandon me. So I don't want to get close to anybody. This is a pattern as a child she picks up. She's not aware of it. Huh? She is not aware of, she's not doing it consciously. She's doing it in something that wo autopilot pe chal raha hai wo. And then she kind of really has a nervous breakdown because it बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है वो. एक point आएगा जब it will become too much and then you will break down. And then you will not realize why this is happening to me. So luckily she gets into contact with Shah Rukh Khan, who is a counselor, who is a kind of a counselor to her, and they have sessions where they talk with each other and all these things come out. Then they realize that this is connected here, that she has to find a closure on this. क्योंकि माँ बाप से बात भी नहीं हुई ना इस बारे में. Parents also don't know. Parents, when they did whatever they did for the right of good of the child only. उन्होंने कुछ गलत intention नहीं रखे थे. They didn't abandon her. Right. So then what is the point is कि ये openly discuss होना चाहिए. That is what main thing that Shah Rukh Khan tells her. And then finally she gets a chance where she has an outburst also with the parents. She tells them that what she felt. And then parents realize कि ऐसा उस बच्चे को feel हुआ. They never had a slightest idea that our child is actually living with this feeling for what we did so many years back. And she has this grudge कि भाई को लेके गए, पर वो भाई को तो कुछ ऐसा है ही नहीं, ना ही parents को था. Right? So this is just an example. It happens in so many other things. Whatever behaviorally you are today. Some people have stage fear. Some people have this thing that they will not like to connect with strangers very fast. Communication. जो भी challenges होते हैं ना कहीं they are connected with how you interact with your parents. Most of the times. We always get to relationship at workplace, relationship at personal level, romantic relationship, friendships. ये सब में जो भी आपके behavioral patterns होते हैं ना, they very well connect. If we sit and we discuss, तो ज़्यादातर कहाँ जाके वो अटकता है? Like initial years when you connected with your parents. You get my point? And that is why this relationship with your parents is a very, very strong fundamental thing. The day you realize it's important, start working on it consciously. You definitely will have a very good relationship with them anyway. But usko enhance करने के chances बहुत है. Better communication करके it will become all the more strong. You need that support in your life, whatever challenges can come. But you know that no, my parents will always be there, whatever happens. That itself puts you in a very safe place. Then it's okay, whatever problems to आने ही है. But that strength that you get is from that feeling that yes, my parents are there, which you have already also. But when you communicate it openly, when you make a ritual out of it, you know, there's a difference between an action and a practice. Can anybody tell me? There's something called practice. I'm not saying the verb form of it, but a noun form. A practice and an action. What is the difference?
An action is something which we do all of a sudden, and practice is something which we do gradually over a period of time.
Very true. A practice is something which is continuous, repetitive. It happens like this is more of a mindset that this is what I want to do and this is something that I will regularly do. And action is point of time, once in a while. Okay, so once in a while I can write a letter to my father, my parents and tell them I love them. But if I make a practice, not every day I want to tell them. So it becomes a kind of a practice and it is like reinstating that idea again and again. And it kind of is very fulfilling and enriching for my soul. Right. So you won't want to work on it. And there is always an opportunity. Howsoever good rapport you have with your parents, it's always there is always an opportunity to work on it and make it better. Okay? Make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
So this gratitude exercise, I would want everybody to finish their comments there. Whatever your approach is, whatever you are following, please write it down there. There's something you are proud of, isn't it? So put it there on the forum and have that trust with people here, because this is a group that has been around now for some time, and this kind of in friendship or this kind of in sharing among yourself can also become a very important strength for you. Yeah, anybody would like to share anything now on that note? That's something that they regularly do or they have been doing or they did especially during Diwali, like Gaurav mentioned or Akriti mentioned. Did anybody do that?
Ma'am, for like to express gratitude, like I am sending my parents to Somnath Dwarka. Unko jana hai karne.
Uh-huh.
So now again, my parents, they have reached that age where they want to do all those spots all over India. कि उनको हर जगह चार धाम वगैरह सब करना है. So I have promised them that I'll send them to Mansarovar because my mom wants to go. And also like this entire week has been a little rough because I've been traveling a lot. So I have a brother as well. So they have been wanting to spend time with my brother and the grandchild and वो होता है लगाव तो like you have to be with them, spend time with them, and yeah, that's about.
Beautifully put, Pratna. Yes, definitely something that they aspire to, they want to do, you kind of facilitate that for them.
Facilitate that, that's it, that's enough. उनको like कभी घर पे बैठे होते हैं and they are like मेरे घर पे like वो दिन का काम like कुछ चीजें फिक्स है कि चाय बननी है तो मैं ही बनाऊंगी and जब भी हो बेटा चाय बना दो, that's it. उनको इतना ही होता है, बोले तो बस तुरंत हो जाना चाहिए. There shouldn't be any argument over it कि मैं नहीं करूंगी and all of that. That should not supposed to happen. And if anyone comes, then they would like to sit and then you facilitate everything, bring food, cook food. So my cousin was recently over, so I just made some delicacies, that stuff that he likes. So even now he'll go, he'll appreciate 10 times. हाँ, अलका ने ये बनाया, like, so that is going to happen. So they just want some effort कि तुम थोड़ा effort डाल दो बस, that's it. So yeah.
And it's good that you realize that and you understood that, and then you kind of through those actions you kind of communicating to them, right? That yes. I care for you and that is why I do all of these things. Great, Pratna. Thank you for sharing. Please do put it on the forum also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anybody else or should I ask people? Rutuja, how about you?
Ma'am, I would like to share one instance because last month only my father completed 50 years. So I had a big party arranged for him and he was actually surprised because he was not expecting anything. And he was like little sad because his uncle passed away 1 year ago. So there were many changes in the family, but we cope up with it. And yes, everyone came together and he was quite happy.
Yes, see, kind of an event you organize so that you wanted to make him feel good, change his mood. Yeah,
and he's actually dependent on me. He wants me to do many things. So I came up with an idea and I did it for him. So he was quite happy for that.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Rutuja, for sharing it and kind of proudly explaining what you did for him. It's awesome to hear it from you. Okay, anybody else? Come, stay on camera, everybody. Don't go off camera. Prabhumeet, would you like to share anything?
No, ma'am. As such, nothing.
Okay. Abhinash? Abhinash, unmute yourself. Can't hear you.
Ma'am, my camera is broken. Look, it's all dark.
No, we can see you.
Okay. Actually, ma'am, there is one thing that happened. Like, when was Diwali? 4th November, right?
4th November, yes.
Yeah, 3rd. On the eve of 3rd, I think something happened. But I was proud of it. But later, I wasn't because I kind of picked up a kitten from the streets. Like the dogs were chasing it, so I picked it up. Me and my friend went around block searching for its mother, but no, there was no one. So I thought, okay, let's take her home. Okay, then I brought it home. Then what happened is I was giving her food and all. Around 6, I think, on around 6 in the morning, I put her in a room because I already have a cat and it's a male. So he was kind of hissing. So I didn't want to, it was very small, like this is, it was like this, that kitten was. So I went into that room and she was dead. So that's why I was thinking like I will make her healthy and then I will put it off for adoption. But that didn't happen. So
Abhinash, you had the right intention, isn't it? Your intention was to kind of help.
yeah, but then again it died. I don't know.
See, sir, there are so many things in life which are out of your control.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's something that you could not control. Things happen. So I do understand you will feel sad about it. However, beating yourself up for it, that I'm not proud of it, you are still proud of that idea that you brought her home.
No, ma'am, no, I'm not actually right now because it died. That's why. If it had been alive, I may be.
You can look at it that way, but see, it doesn't change the idea. Whatever happened later doesn't change the fact that when you picked her up, you wanted to help.
Yes, actually, ma'am, I even called the adoption agencies, but they were not too interested. So I thought like I should keep her better. That would be better for her. And I brought all the baby foods, like kittens don't eat the same as adult cats. So I brought all the baby foods, then this happened.
Yeah, so all of the things you did in your capacity, with your right intentions. Right. So whatever you did, when you picked her up, your intention was very right. And I think I am still proud of you for that.
Wow.
Even if you are not. But I would be very proud of it even today that yes, you did that. Your intention was right. I do feel there is a sadness, of course, that whatever happened. But there would be some reason for it. There are so many factors that help. The kitten must have eaten something earlier. You don't know, na?
No, for its age, it was too weak. Like I can feel the ribs on her body.
Okay. Yeah,
So
she was already weak. She was
maybe
malnourished.
that. Yeah, maybe
Maybe
that.
she didn't have the right nutrition before you found her. Right. So I would say don't beat yourself up for that. Okay, don't say that I'm not proud of it. I think that is not a very right idea, right way of looking at it. You're overwhelmed with the sadness of the event that happened later. But that event doesn't undo what you did in the beginning. No? So keep that in mind. Have a balanced perspective.
Yes.
Okay, anybody else now? So we are continuing with our exercise where we were doing this speech, no? Strength wala speech. Has everybody done that?
Ma'am, I think some are still remaining.
Yes. So the names are already there on Quick Force. We'll take a few and then we'll also take another format today. Purba, Kinnari, Nisha, Gaurav, Rajiv. You can see on Quick Force, your name would be there in SWOT speech. Those who have not done, Gaurav, have you done it? SWOT speech? Your strength, you've done. Okay. Yesha?
Yes, ma'am, I already did.
Rutuja also did, I think. Rishabh? Akhil?
No, ma'am. Actually, I messaged you few days ago.
Can you do it now?
Yeah. I will continue from today itself.
So can you come on camera and then talk about your one strength as a person and give us an example of it. Okay, so, and one more thing I would like to say to everybody, when you are talking about your strength, use the verb format, meaning when you say, you want to say that I can communicate well. For example, if your strength is that I can communicate well, instead of saying I am a good communicator, we'll talk about it later why I'm telling you that. No? Instead of saying I am a communicator or don't use a noun, don't label yourself with anything, but how you act, what you do, focus on that. Say I can communicate well, I can manage my time well. Okay, my friends can depend on me as a friend. So things like that. So try to consciously change it. I'm not saying that be very very conscious and निकलना ही नहीं चाहिए मुंह से, ऐसा वर्ड नहीं, वो होता है हम लोग बोलने के आदी होते हैं उसके, we are used to, so that's okay if it when you speak it kind of comes out that way, but a little bit of conscious effort on that part where we don't want to focus on the nouns. हमको noun नहीं यूज करना अपने लिए, हमको verb में बात करना है, that I do this thing. Okay, so Akhil,
Yes, ma'am.
tell us what is your strength and give some example about.
So an example, starting with the example, it's a live example for me. And the example is my dad. Basically, I have seen my dad in the growing stage of the businesses. Actually, my family, मेरा joint family है, in which मेरे dad के कुछ 7 भाई है, सगे भाई, and 3 real sisters है. तो हमारा पहले एक जॉइंट फैमिली बिजनेस था राजस्थान में, फ्रॉम द प्लेस विच आई बिलोंग फ्रॉम देयर. सो पहले हमारा बिजनेस एक ही था, लाइक वी हैड ओनली अ वन प्लेटफॉर्म ओवर देयर एंड सब एक साथ काम करते थे, एक साथ रहते थे. तो जैसे टाइम आगे बढ़ते गया तो फिर बिजनेस अलग होने लगे, सब कुछ अलग, मतलब यू नो फैमिली में होता है, पार्टीशंस होने लगते हैं. तो वो एक ऐसा फेस था मेरे डैड के लिए कि वहां पे जहाँ पे डैड ने एक बार बिजनेस पूरा ग्रो अप कर दिया था, एकदम अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म बना के खड़ा कर दिया था, मतलब कोई दूसरा आगे कंपटीशन कर ही नहीं सकता था वो टाइम पे. तो लेकिन जैसे फैमिली अलग होने लगी तो बिजनेस में काफी ये लॉस होने लगा. तो फिर एक वहां पे एक ऐसा मोमेंट आ गया, हमको राजस्थान से मुंबई शिफ्ट होना पड़ा, मतलब at the Palghar, right now I'm staying there. तो यहाँ पे आके भी हम यहाँ पे आके फिर से डैड ने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, फैमिली फिर से ग्रो करना चालू हुआ, लेकिन फिर से यहाँ पे वही पार्टीशंस एंड रूल होने लगे, भाइयों में आपस में होने लगी. तो फिर से मतलब इन शॉर्ट कैसा हुआ कि डैड ने लाइफ में 3 बार जीरो से स्टार्ट किया था बिजनेस. तो आप समझ सकते हो मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ. जीरो से 3 बार स्टार्ट करना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. एंड एट द एज ऑफ 28 एंड 29 मेरे डैड को हाई बीपी एंड प्रेशर था, मतलब स्टार्ट हो गया था, हाई बीपी एंड प्रेशर, हाई बीपी प्रेशर एंड हाई डायबिटीज स्टार्ट हो गया था. मतलब 7 भाई होने के बावजूद मैं जो मेरे डैड है उनको डायबिटीज और बीपी हो गया था. तो वो टाइम का जो प्रेशर मैंने जो फील किया था, मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं था. तो मैं वो टाइम पे अपने डैड को देख रहा था कि वो कैसे कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं अपने आप को, इमोशंस को कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं. फिर अपना खुद का एक बिजनेस स्टैंड किया, पर्सनल प्रोप्राइटर बने, सिंगल ओनर बने. फिर वहां से जो डैड ने अलग से बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, आज हम लोग एक अलग लेवल पे खड़े हैं. मतलब मैं आपको बोलूँ तो बेसिकली मैं पहले एक झोपड़पट्टी में रहता था, मतलब आपको अगर मैं मेरा पास बता तो मैं झोपड़पट्टी से बिलोंग करता था. और आज इतनी मेहनत हार्डवर्क के बाद मैं एक बंगले में रह रहा हूँ. दैट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ माई डैड. एंड वो ही उनका स्ट्रेंथ है. मतलब कुछ भी हो जाए, कभी रुकना नहीं, कभी झुकना नहीं, हमेशा काम करते रहो, मेहनत करते रहो, आगे बढ़ते रहो. तो वो जो मेरे को एक पॉजिटिव फीलिंग आई ना, तो मैंने मेरा डैड का बिजनेस 9 साल पहले ज्वाइन किया था. 9 साल से मैं मेरे डैड के बिजनेस में हेल्प कर रहा हूँ और आज मैं अपना खुद का एक बिजनेस खड़ा कर चुका हूँ. वो जो स्ट्रेंथ मैंने उनको फॉलो किया है, मैंने उनका जो एक रास्ता उन्होंने जो बनाया था, मैं वही रास्ते पे चल रहा था. तो आज जो भी मैं कुछ हूँ मेरे डैड की वजह से हूँ. और ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरी मॉम ने कुछ नहीं किया लाइफ में. ऑब्वियसली अगर डैड सफर कर रहे थे ये सब में, तो मेरी मॉम ने भी सफर किया ही है. पूरा हम लोग का जो 3 जन का फैमिली, 4 जन का फैमिली है, दैट इज माय मॉम एंड माय स्मॉल ब्रदर. सबने सफर किया है एक साथ, लेकिन हमने वो जो क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन था, एक दूसरे का कभी साथ नहीं छोड़ा. काफी बुरे टाइम देखे, काफी गलत चीजें देखी हमने हमारे साथ, लेकिन कभी किसी चीज को कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं किया है, खाली एक्सेप्ट करके हम आगे बढ़े हैं. और कोशिश की है कि जितना लोग खुश रख सकते हैं हम उतना खुश रखें. कभी उनको नाराज नहीं होने दे हमारे साइड से, भले वो नाराज हो, लेकिन हमने हमारी पूरी कोशिश की है कि हम किसी दूसरे को नाराज ना होने दे, बस इतना ही है।
Very beautifully put, Akhil. It was very nice of you that you kind of shared this so openly and transparently and kind of opened your heart and talked about it here. So thank you for doing that. It's a privilege for everybody in the room listening to you, isn't it?
Thank you so much.
Thank you for saying that. And that is what you say, that my strength is that I've learned from my father is being consistent and keep trying.
Yes,
whatever happens.
He keep
whatever.
trying. At the age of 45, still is keep trying to grow more, grow. मतलब जितना हो सके उतना फैलाओ, जितना हो सके उतना आगे बढ़ो. And I don't think वो इतना जल्दी रिटायरमेंट लेने वाले. मेरे को तो उन्होंने सीधा बोला है, तू तेरा MBA कर, देखो जो लाइफ में अगर तेरा जो ड्रीम है तू वो कर, यही बिजनेस, तेरा जो बिजनेस तूने खड़ा किया वो मैं संभाल लूंगा, उस पर कोई टेंशन नहीं लेना. भले मैं 60 इयर्स का हो जाऊँ, 80 इयर्स का हो जाऊँ, जब तक मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, जिंदा हूँ, तब तक मैं संभाल लूंगा. तू तेरा ड्रीम स्पॉइल मत होने दे जैसा मैंने होने दिया था अपना. हम तेरे सपोर्ट में है, देखो जो करना है तू कर सकता है.
Beautiful, Akhil. It's very nice to know that you have such beautiful parents and they have communicated that to you. So it's kind of you're very lucky to have such parents, and I'm sure
I'm very lucky. Thank you so much.
Have you told them this in so many words that you love them so much and you care for them and you are very very proud of them? ये बोला है in so many words?
To be very honest, मैंने उनको कभी जैसे कि सबने I love you बोला है अपने पेरेंट्स को, यहाँ पे मेरे जो दोस्त बैठे हैं, मैंने कभी उनको I love you नहीं बोला है.
हाँ, पर अपने तरीके से कुछ तो बोला होगा ना, कुछ तरीके जताया है.
अभी जैसे मैं आपको टेक्स्ट किया था थोड़े दिन पहले कि कुछ फैमिली अर्जेंसी आ गई थी तो मुझे जाना पड़ रहा, तो वही टाइम पे जो मैंने किए काम मेरे डैड के साथ मिलके, तो मेरे डैड ने बोला मुझे एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं था तेरे से, मेरे को बहुत प्राउड है तेरे पे. तो मैंने रिटर्न में क्या बोला कि ये जो मैंने किया है अभी, ये मैंने आपसे ही सीखा है. अगर आप वो चीज वो टाइम मेरे सामने नहीं कर दे तो ये जो मैंने अभी किया है वो मैं जिंदगी में कभी सोच भी नहीं सकता था.
Beautiful.
हाँ, मतलब मैं डायरेक्टली वो चीज नहीं बोल सकता कि आई लव यू, मतलब मेरे को
which is fine.
फीलिंग होता है. हाँ,
which is fine. सबका अपना तरीका होता है, अपने हिसाब से हम अपने तरीके बना लेते हैं. Like the way I and my dad would connect, हम एक स्पेशल तरीके से कनेक्ट करेंगे, वैसे everybody will connect it that way. So okay, and if you can थोड़ा सा हर चीज पे you can work on. So you may want to kind of try एक बार कि अपने तरीके से और एक बार पूरा openly उसी बात को डिस्कस करना है, बोलना है, because it would be a very good thing for your parents also to hear it.
Definitely, ma'am.
For everybody, I'm saying.
I'm trying very hard for that.
Yeah.
I'm trying very hard for that.
I'm sure you are, and I'm sure you will very very soon tell us again कि see मैंने आज बोला. I'm telling you, I took so many years, like till I grew up almost 28-30 years तक, तो I have never told my love you to my parents.
Yes, definitely.
But now I do every day.
बोलने ही नहीं होता डायरेक्टली, मतलब नहीं होता, छोड़ देते हम पे, मतलब इनडायरेक्टली कुछ भी बोल देगा चलेगा, लेकिन डायरेक्टली वो जो वर्ड्स बोलने चाहिए वो नहीं वो बोल सकते हम, वो चीज है हमारे पास.
Because what happens, no, Akhil, that हम लोग का जो कंडीशनिंग है, जिस सोसाइटी में हम जिस एनवायरनमेंट में बड़े होते हैं ना, तो उधर एक तरीके से whatever, I'm not blaming anything, good or bad नहीं, पर हो जाता है. So हो जाता है ऐसा कि हम ऐसा परसीव करने लगते हैं कि नहीं, पेरेंट्स के साथ ना एक लेवल के बियॉन्ड एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ लव
मेंटेन करके चलो.
थोड़ा वो एक फॉर्मल होने लगता है. इट्स नॉट एज जैसे हम बचपन में बिहेव करते थे हम वैसे नहीं करते हैं. that tends to change over time. Like as a kid I used to sit on my father's tummy as a kid. I wouldn't do that now. Right now there's a distance, there's a space, we don't talk so much. क्या वो बेटी है, वो my father is he's a father. So ma'am, so now the thing is we notice this at my point, we have noticed this. So I have a 4-year-old nephew. So हमने उसे आदत लगाई है कि हम रात को सोने जाते हैं तो we say good night and then we say I love you to him, and then he also says it back. So we want to inculcate that since the beginning, so that he does not feel कि बुआ नहीं प्यार करती है या पापा नहीं प्यार करते, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. He should always feel that he is loved.
Beautiful. That is very important, because that is what becomes your emotional strength, and that helps you when you grow up and whatever challenges we face. We see today that people break down and they take extreme steps. When
And ma'am, sometimes I think, you know what, we are at sometimes we know, सिर्फ मन में पता होगा कि हाँ भाई वो प्यार तो करते ही है ना, but we reach those you know certain points where we need to hear कि हमें सुनना है. जब तक सुनो नहीं तब तक भरोसा नहीं होता है. We need to hear it from someone else's mouth.
Yes, you need to hear, because see, हम human beings are designed in a particular way. See, we are not the creators, correct? हम तो एक छोटी चीज है ना पूरी सिस्टम में, हमको बनाया गया और वो दुनिया बनाई किसी ने एक अपने तरीके से, करेक्ट? एक सिस्टम बनाया है which we have no authority to change. हमारे पावर में है ही नहीं कि उसको हम बदल दें ना. So we will have to use and change ourselves as per the system. The system is such that your subconscious mind is your main behavior का actor. मतलब what you are today and what you behave on autopilot is a function of your subconscious mind. And subconscious mind always works on the concept of repetition. If I am being told every day that I am being loved, that will make my subconscious mind feel at ease, at calm, that yes, I am being loved. My conscious mind knows that I am being loved, but my subconscious mind doesn't, if I am not told every day. Okay.
And ma'am, our fathers are not very expressive in that way. They have certain ways of telling us that yes, we care. Like my father, generally when we have an argument and we are not talking for like a day or two, sometimes it happens. It's very rare, but it happens. So he's like, "Jao beta, coffee bana ke le aao," at 1 in the midnight. So I know that time that he wants to talk, and there's an argument and he knows that yes, he was wrong in that. So they are expressive in that way. They won't say you sorry. There is an ego there that no, beti ko kya sorry bolenge. But yes, they have ways of expressing.
डिस्कस कर भी रहे, यहाँ पे तो डिस्कशन भी नहीं होता है. Like हाँ तुम समझ जाओ, ठीक है. There is no
like my father had this first, like in the initial time, he had this. I come from a very orthodox family, so he had this thing that beti, 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 and that beta is always above everything. So changing his mind over 4 years was very difficult for me. But now he knows that he cannot speak anything in front of me that's against girls, because I have proven him that I proved him like that yes, there is nothing that girls can't do. So yes, that has made a change in him, that he cannot tell me that don't do this, don't do that, because he knows that if she's doing something, she's right in it, because she has never proved me wrong in the last 4 years or 5 years when I told her not to do something. So that's the thing.
Yes. See, you have to understand one thing also, that when somebody is trying to change, that is also a very big statement in terms of they love you. When they change, because see, उनकी जो mentality form हुई थी, उसमें उनका भी, they must have also been seeing certain things. वो भी एक environment में grow हुए, correct? There must be some kind of treatment that must have happened to them. So उधर से उन्होंने वो pick up किया, right? And if they are changing it, because changing your thinking is a very greatest tool for you to change the way you want your life. But it is something that we again human beings जो हम सिस्टम के साथ आए हैं, हमारा दिमाग कैसे काम करता है, ये सब चीजों का ना हमको एक बॉडी तो मिल जाता है यूज करने को, but we don't have a user manual for it. We don't understand how to manage our own system. We don't know that. We just are on autopilot, और हम जैसे हो जाता है चीजें, हम जीते रहते. Okay, but if you really understand the way we work, the thinking is a root cause of everything what you are today, and your thinking is something which is abstract. Thinking is based not only on facts, thinking is based on assumption. So if I think today, if my mentality says that I feel that girls and boys are different, है ना, तो ये belief मैंने कहीं से pick up करी. Many times it is the environment, sometimes it is my own assumption. मैं अपना ही 2+2 करती हूँ जब कुछ चीज देखती हूँ. लेकिन आलिया भट्ट केस, आलिया भट्ट को पेरेंट्स ने उसको अबैंडन नहीं किया था, पर उसने उस चीज को समझ लिया कि मुझे अबैंडन कर दिया. They left me. That is something that she assumed. Likewise, we also assume a lot of things from our environment, और हम अपना ही 2+2 करते, और 2+2 पे अपना बिलीफ भी खड़ा कर देते. ये करना जितना आसान है, बहुत आसान है, पर ये चीज हमको पता नहीं है, हम जानते नहीं है कि ये जिस हिसाब से हमने खुद ने ही बनाया ना, तो हम खुद ही इसको डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं और हम उस पे नया बिलीफ भी खड़ा कर सकते हैं. If you understand
So,
that,
ma'am, that is again, that is dependent on us exposing ourselves into newer environments all the time. Only then it would happen. So we have to get accustomed to newer cultures, newer backgrounds, more places, more people. Only then we'll be able to understand कि अच्छा exactly हो क्या रहा है. We cannot be like ये तो बात हो गई कि हम कुएं के मेंढक हैं, हमने कुएं के बाहर देखा ही नहीं.
But today you have this access to information, right? You know, so I'll tell you one example. I'm not sure if I've said Madam Secretary के बारे में मैंने बात किया, have I?
Madam Secretary, yes.
Or did I talk about this? I think I talked about this. This girl in some Middle East country wants help from US. Have I talked about?
Yes. The girl in the middle. Yeah, ma'am, this is one of the episodes of Madam Secretary, right?
Yes. So have I
Yes,
talked?
yes. We spoke about this. Yes.
We spoke about it. So that girl, if you remember, she thinks that उसको ये सिखाया जाता है कि तुम लड़की हो, तुम्हारे लिए पढ़ाई is not important.
पढ़ाई is not important. Yes.
She believes that. She believes that मुझे ऊपर वाले ने ऐसे बनाया है. In absence of any further access to any other information. But the day she sees, she kind of explores internet और उसे पता चलता है कि in other parts of the world, women wear whatever they want to. They can move out of their house also all alone. जबकि उसको लगता था नहीं, as a girl I am supposed to be accompanied by a male guardian. ऐसा उनको सिखाया जाता है उधर. So वो ऐसा सोचती थी, तो वो सोच ही है at the end of the day. So the more you become exposed, as you rightly said, Pratna, when you have information, you have access to internet, you have access to so many resources. Then you get to know, and uske liye one thing that will make you ready for it is kind of there is a concept called single mindedness. अभी हम जिस हिसाब से बड़े होते हैं ना, हम एक और belief उठा लेते हैं. Single mindedness meaning okay, by the way, Himanshu, Gaurav, Rajiv, Apurva सब कैमरा पे रहो. I'm keeping track of it. वीरेंद्र सब लोग कैमरा पे रहो. So I'm saying कि हम लोग ऐसे एक बिलीफ पकड़ लेते हैं, हम देख लेते हैं, मूवीज देखते हैं, या हम जो भी हमारे अराउंड देखते हैं कि भाई जो हम बोल रहे हैं ना वो ही राइट है, जो सामने वाला है वो रॉन्ग है. There is only one right thing. We look at things in a very black and white way. और सामने वाला गलत है और सामने वाला मेरा दुश्मन है अगर मेरे से एग्री नहीं किया तो हम उनको उस लाइट में देखते हैं. जबकि this principle on which the world should function, the way it is designed, is like having this acceptance of diversity of beliefs. Okay, I feel or I believe or I have been in an environment जहाँ ये चीज चलता है. Okay, like something like in European countries, you see that one teenage girl would be wearing shorts and kind of talking with their grandfather sitting in a place, and they are interacting and they're having good kind of conversation. She's wearing shorts, she's like dressed, for her it's a casual dress. But कहीं कुछ families में देखेंगे तो वो उनको बोलेंगे कि यार ये ऐसे कैसे, how can she, a teenage girl, sit with her grandfather and talk. So वो जो एक हम judgmental हो जाते हैं ना, वो अगर हम साइड में रख दे, हम बोले ठीक है, what I do is my belief and I stand by it. I'm not saying what I believe, मेरा belief सही है. I would not want to dress myself like this and sit with my grandfather, whatever reasons. But the one who is doing it, वो कोई बुरी नहीं है और उसको मुझे बुराई करना है, मुझे उसको डाउनग्रेड करना है, I have to kind of look at it with a very wrong perspective. अगर वो ही मैं चेंज कर लूँ ना, if I start accepting that, it's okay, it's their way of working, their way. अगर हम इतना ही accept कर लेंगे ना, then we will be able to have that alternatives in mind. So that single-mindedness is the first thing we need to work on. Where we can have help.
Ma'am, that's the thing. It's like जो कर रहे हो उन्हें करने दो ना. You don't have to adopt. It is your choice. You make your choice, right? And at the crux of it, I believe, like once it's like how do I put it into words? Like we have to be once we understand what works, like something which necessarily works for you, it can work for you, and something else can work for me, and it's absolutely fine.
Exactly. That is one.
There cannot be, since we are in such such huge volumes. Just 7 billion people spread over a planet. So हर जगह चीजें differently work करेंगी. There cannot be one standard.
Yes, yes. So that acceptance, if you bring in now, which is something which can help us have this perspective, okay, which will help us kind of try different alternatives and live at peace. Okay.
And ma'am, I believe, to understand the subconscious, you should always visit a therapist. You should always visit a therapist and, find out. Because when last time I visited mine, she made me aware of my situation wherein she told me, Pratna, like, this is our second session and I want to tell you, you have, what do you say, what complex was that? Savior complex. Okay, you have savior complex. You have this feel of saving people. Okay, so and she made me aware of this, and then I just checked on the pattern, and there was a visible pattern, and then I was just made aware of my situation. It was happening, and I did not know that this is happening with me, and someone else had to make me aware of my situation. So that again puts things into perspective. Ki bhai, okay, where you have to be and where you do not want to be.
Yeah, that is important, and it's always like that. See, a heart surgeon cannot work on his own heart. So that is how again we are designed. So if I may be a counselor, but for my emotional challenges, I need to talk to somebody else.
Go to someone else, yes.
Okay, so that is something, that's how again we are designed. So accepting it and kind of, and sometimes you don't need to, may not need to go to a professional counselor. You may even talk to your friends, your parents. That can also work as counseling. Okay, but it is important sharing what you feel, taking feedback from others who really you are close with, without kind of feeling bad about it, accepting yourself as you are an imperfect human being. One another thing, we are all like, perfection is a myth. Actually, it is always good to strive for perfection, to become better, but perfection अपने आप में myth है. If you will try to be kind of perfect ही होना चाहिए सब कुछ. If you are perfect, then you're not in the wrong place, because in this world, everybody who is a part of this world is imperfect. Find one person on this world who may have achieved billions of money and all, but find one person who is imperfect on this world. You will not find one. If you are imperfect, then you would be in some another patal lok or some another duniya only. This world is not supposed to function that way. This world is supposed to function with imperfect individuals. So I have certain strengths, I have certain areas.
Man, why do we also have to look at that as imperfection? There are multiple flowers. They don't fight amongst themselves like who's the best.
Yeah.
We all know they are the best.
Definitely. We'll talk more about that also. That is an important thing again. So we will talk about it in the future sessions. Yes, we have a very important point: imperfection, perfection, inferiority. There are a lot of things that kind of are at work, subconscious level in each of us, and we are not aware of it. Okay, so we'll talk about it. Okay, next, who is not yet given their speech, because I see only 22 people now. What about others? जो लोग नहीं बोले, आपकी responsibility है. फिर मैं इसके आज के session में I'm trying to complete as many individuals as possible. If you're left out, फिर आपकी responsibility है. फिर मैं I may even cancel not to take it. So initiative लेके खत्म करो अपना speech.
I haven't, ma'am. I haven't.
Okay, very good, Avinash. Okay, tell us.
Also, yeah. So I don't know, ma'am, if this does count as a strength, but
okay.
From the start of the COVID-19, my father actually got transferred. I used to live with my father because my mom lives somewhere else because of job. So my father got transferred to a very far location, like it is 400 kilometers away from here.
Okay.
So, and that was during the time when there was like complete lockdown. We were only allowed to go buy grocery items from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. I think that was the time. So then when my father left, it became quite hard, tough for me. Like I had to, our classes were starting, our introduction classes were starting. So I had to cook food for myself and the cat I have, and I had to do all the other course in house and then attend classes. So it was a lot of tiring for me. For the first 2 or 3 months, I was literally like, at the end of the day, I will be on the bed, and I will not know when I will sleep. So after 2 or 3 months, I felt I cannot do this. I felt like that I cannot do this. I cannot attend classes and then do this. It is particularly impossible for me. So then that argument happened with my father, and we fought a lot. Like we argued a lot and all. But then again, once I sat down and thought that I have to be stronger. Like I have to be mentally stronger. This doesn't, like, my father can't transfer here back right now. He can't do that. So I have to be stronger. I have to understand that this is my life now. I have to live it. So I have to get up and do all the things I have to do, and then get done with it. So like that's when my mentality got a little bit stronger. So I think that is one of my strengths.
Beautiful. Definitely, it is your very important strength. Again, as I said, no, that here one interesting thing I would like to say, that a human being, when a human is born, a child requires a lot of care from caretakers. Okay, it's like not, it's different from birds and animals. In birds, you will see they will become independent very fast. Okay, in like a few days, or a matter of few days, the small bird will start, the young bird will start flying. But for children, human children, you need proper care for good time. In fact, if nobody takes care of the child will die. Human child. Utna zaruri hota hai. So that kind of puts us in one mental zone where we feel that हमको किसी और को क्या हमारा ख्याल रखना है. By default, this is again a very interesting theory. I don't know if you have heard about the concept of I am okay, you are okay. कहीं ना कहीं पढ़ा होगा, मैं आपको बताऊंगी बाद में डिटेल में. I am okay, you are okay, you are okay, I am okay. That is that kind of an quadrants are there. Transactional analysis, very interesting theory. So एक mindset हम बना लेते हैं कि I am not okay and you are okay. So as a child, I am not capable of taking care of myself and I need somebody to take care of me. ये mentality हर बच्चा बने के through जाएगा ही, because that is how you are grown up. That is again the physics of it, the typical design of you, how human beings function, are born and how they're taken care of. तो उससे क्या हो जाता है ना, in our mind somewhere we always are looking for that comfort zone कि भाई हमको हमारा जो comfort zone है उसी में we want to operate and we don't want to take any calculated or any kind of risks. So ये by default है, it's not something that Abhinash you are feeling, but everybody goes through this कि भाई हमको कुछ और risk लेके कुछ growth करना पड़े, कुछ नया learn करना पड़े. तो ये चीज we always look at it as something difficult. तो perceive हम ऐसा करते हैं. So coming out of it is what you did. Situations make us do that, and then we come out of it and we learn. So that is what you learned, Abhinash. So it's a very good thing that you shared, and it's an important strength. And everybody.
Yes, ma'am. I count this as a strength because there were times, very tough times, ma'am. There were days like I used to be sad a lot. I used to be depressed a lot. Like, what am I doing? What do I do? I wasn't able to cook food for like I will not be having lunch and I will have lunch like at 3 or 4 p.m. So then it got I know it doesn't sound as tough, like it was tough for me. Like I knew this will come sometime in future, but I didn't know it will have this much impact.
Yes, no, you're right. It is very difficult. See, it's your mind, how your mind takes it. So definitely if your mind is not in a space to handle it, it can be very difficult for everybody. And everybody goes through it. Let me tell you, Abhinash. No, we may not share, everybody may not talk openly. It takes a lot of courage. What you said, you're very openly, transparently spoken about, and I totally admire and respect about you, Abhinash. Okay, it takes a lot of courage to say it.
Ma'am, one more question. Does being funny count as a strength?
Sorry?
Does being funny count as a strength?
Yes, if you're humorous, yes.
No, then I'm not.
So that's okay. You can have, see, making how can it be a strength? It can be a strength where you can help people relax and kind of away their stress by being
like they are depressed and I can make them
depressed, or
better.
just that people are like not depressed.
Tensed.
It's like, tired, and I just need a smile on my face, and if
Yeah.
that's a joke, it would be kind of a stress reliever for me.
Yes, I will not be able to help anyone with that. Sorry.
Which is fine. So everybody have their own strengths, right? So which is okay. But what you talked about is definitely a very important strength. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Before we end this session, I want one more person to share it, and you have to take the initiative because your name should figure out here in developing self-awareness में SWOT speech में. जिसका भी नाम नहीं है, please volunteer yourself, nominate yourself. Who would do that? Pallav, have you spoken?
I'm like my strength or
Your strength.
No, I have written, but I have not spoken.
So speak now. Tell us about your strength, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Now I'll try. Ma'am, can gaining trust of a person or parents or any individual whom you know, like not much before the time, like from school times or from college times, can be a strength or not?
Being trustworthy, yes. Reliable, dependable. You look.
Yes, ma'am. Being a responsible person, like whom you can share things and like that.
Yes, definitely. That is definitely very good.
So yes, ma'am. So that is what I wanted to say. And being a trustworthy person is lagging behind nowadays. Like many people are there who are good on the face but are not good on the back. So these things, ma'am, I learned from my parents only. They taught me these things, and I cannot specifically give you an example of this, but I'll definitely try some other times, or I'll text you personally, but I cannot frame it in words or tell you like everyone was saying. I was listening from 1 hour. So that was it, ma'am. Thank you.
Oh, no problem. That is okay. This is a general idea you're getting about yourself, that yes, I'm getting a general idea that yes, I am somebody whom others can trust, and I would live up to that trust. Right. So that is what I have shown as my personal attribute or characteristic. Okay, good enough. So whenever you feel comfortable, you can give some examples. The examples will kind of make you, it's not, example is again, for your again subconscious mind. So your subconscious mind needs to be repeatedly told कि मेरे अंदर ये strength है. Consciously तो मुझे पता है मेरा ये strength है. मुझे कोई पूछेगा इंटरव्यू में तो मैं जवाब दूंगी. But you need to believe that inside you very strongly at the subconscious level. Then only that strength will be of greatest use to you. It is not something that log observe करे और तुम्हारे बारे में बोले. It is something that you should be able to capitalize on it, isn't it? So वो कब होगा? When I am in my subconscious mind, my strength is kind of integrated and I know it very well. This is my strength and I will use it to my own benefit as much as possible. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Pallav, for sharing it.
Thank you.
Apurva, have you spoken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dharmed, have you? Yes, you have also spoken, right? Kinnari has spoken, yes. Prabhamit, have you?
Yes, ma'am, I've spoken.
कौन है हर्ष? Harsh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So please tell us about your strength. We have 2 more minutes.
Yes, ma'am. So basically, actually, I'm from Surat, and my strengths are limited only. So first of all, my strength is that.
Show your face on camera, Harsh.
Yes, ma'am.
It is our limited ability to kind of interact with you. It limits my ability to interact with you. Yes, this is better. Tell us.
So basically, as I'm from Surat, so my one of the strength is that I am a lot more patient, than any of my friends. Then second one is that I am honest with with anybody, with my friends especially. And also I am a little more honest with my work. Actually, I cheat sometime whenever I'm alone. If I get a target to study 3 hours straight, I'll study, but only half an hour. But I'll study. So that's that's one of my weaknesses also, but I'm improving on that. And later on, I'm punctual because my father has taught me from my childhood only that at the night around 10 to 11 p.m. you have to sleep, and around 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock you have to wake up, and you have to come in the breakfast for 7:30 a.m. in the morning for family breakfast. Then in the evening around 8 o'clock we have dinner. So the timetable is adjusted for whole family members. So the punctuality is the thing, and patience.
Patience,
And
give me some example of patience.
Patience, if one of my friend has called me to meet in the movie theater. Movie is around at 9 a.m. He will reach at 10 a.m. Half of movie is gone, but I will not go in the theater without him. तो पेशेंस है इतना. हाँ पैसे बाद में तो वसूलूंगा, वो अलग से बात है, लेकिन वो मूवी जाऊंगा नहीं. ऐसे है मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स. सो पेशेंस इतना है. पर फिर वो गुस्सा नहीं होऊंगा मैं.
1 घंटा लेट आएगा कोई भी तो भी आप गुस्सा नहीं करोगे?
नहीं, वो पैसे वसूल लिए तो गुस्से क्यों करूंगा?
पैसे वसूल नहीं हुआ फिर गुस्सा करोगे?
मैं गुस्सा कर दूंगा, बाद में पैसा नहीं आएगा ना. इसलिए बस यही है, लिमिटेड है. बाकी तो वीकनेसेस बहुत सारे मेरे परिवार वाले और मेरे फ्रेंड्स गिना देंगे बात तो.
वीकनेस तो मैंने पूछी नहीं. ये होता है ना, वीकनेस पूछा भी नहीं तो वीकनेस बताने का इतना तत्पर रहते हैं ना हम लोग.
हाँ, वो अच्छा रहता है ना, पहले ही बता दूं, बाद में वो लोग नुक्स निकालना बंद कर देते हैं.
Okay, thank you Harsh, thank you for sharing that. Okay, you want to take break now or we can take one more person? It's 3 p.m. right? When do we take break? Sushant, time कब होता है अपना? 3 p.m. ही होता है.
हाँ, 3.
Okay, we'll take a break now and after that we'll continue with the remaining people. Okay, Rutuja, will go. You will start next when we start. Okay, Rutuja?
Sure.
Pratna, anything you're saying? Okay, see you at 3:30, all of you. Come back with your cameras on, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.